Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change time zone in Outlook web. So let's get started. So if you want to change your time zone in your Outlook web, so to do that what you have to do is follow some of these steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Outlook. Now in order to open up your Outlook, if you have installed it in your device, then that's okay, or you can access it through a browser. So now I'll just access it through a browser. So after opening up a browser, just type in outlook.com. After typing in outlook.com, now you'll come up to your Outlook website. From here, you just have to log into your account. And after logging into your account, you can access your account. And from here, if you want to change your time zone, then what you can do is just simply tap on the gear icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the gear icon, from here, what you have to do is in search bar, you can search for time zone. And after searching for time zone, you will find the option. What you can do is just simply select it. And after selecting the option, now you'll take you to this section where you can change your time zone. So what you can do is just simply tap on this down arrow and then select your time zone. Or you can just simply type in the time zone that you want. So if you can find it, then what you can do is just simply select the time zone and then tap on save. After tapping on save, your time zone will be updated. So here you can see guys, the time zone has been successfully updated. Now you just have to tap on save. And that's it guys, this is how to change time zone in Outlook web. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.